Here in Colorado, we don't just build for today. We're building for tomorrow. But too often, traditional construction is a burden. Too many contracts, no accountability. Performance services is different. Our design-build approach means one contract, no change orders, no surprises, no finger-pointing. We take sole accountability so you can stay focused on what matters. From the Western Slope to the Front Range to the Eastern Plains, we're helping schools serve students and local governments serve communities with bold, innovative buildings. And they're always on time, on budget, and built to last. We can do that because we're backed by the strength of our national reach, but guided by our heart for our local communities. We serve Colorado because we call it home. These aren't just buildings. They're promises to the future of our communities, to the students, the educators, parents and families, citizens and taxpayers for generations of Coloradans to come. Let's build something that lasts together.